Let us introduce you MKE KC-550B centrifuge. A low-speed tabletop centrifuge with automatic cap removal feature. First, turn on the rear side power cord. Press the power switch button on the right side. The device enters the power on state. Here you can see an arrow on the right side. It is our emergency switch. In the event of a sudden power failure, we can pull it out to open the door cover. Let's take a look for precautions before use. Open the door cover. First of all, take out the protective foam inside. Keep our centrifugal chamber clean and tidy. No debris inside. When the sample is placed, we can see this is equipped with a 100 well auto-decap adapter. That means when you put a 5 milliliters long tube, you can put it directly through the green hole. If it's less than 5 milliliters, like 2 milliliters, you have to turn the green part. The green part on the top is reversed, so that the length of the tube adapted to your 2 milliliters tube. Put our adapters into our hanging cups, symmetrically leveled, to ensure the centrifugal effect. Press the center of the lid to lock it before running. Next, let's take a look at the operation panel of the equipment. On the left side are the rotor number and program number. In the center, from top to bottom are speed, centrifugal force, centrifugal time. On the left are the speed up and speed down. The first button here is the setup button. The up arrow is increase. The down arrow is decrease. This is the start button. In the center is the stop button. The rightmost button is the door opener. You can use the buttons to adjust the values. The rotor number is already set at the factory. There is no need to adjust it again. Press the setup button again. The program number is the same, no need to adjust. Now it's time for our rotation speed. Up means increase, down means decrease. Press the setup button and we're at our centrifugal force. The centrifugal force setting is also up for increase and down for decrease. If you press and hold it, it will change the value faster. Switch to our centrifugal time settings. Hours at the front, minutes at the back. If you don't need hours, press set to switch to our minute setting, now set to 1 minute. Setting the speed up and speed down. The speed up setting is now 2 speeds. If you set it to 1, the value indicated decreases, meaning that your speed goes from 0 to the value you have set for a faster speed. The same applies to the downshift. If you set it to a smaller number, it will be faster. If you set it to a smaller number, it takes less time. After all the parameters have been set, you can press the start button to centrifuge. Next, I'm going to show you how the device running. Now we set it for 10 seconds. Pressing the start button, you can see that the rotor number shows that it's running. The speed and the centrifugal force are both increasing. Once the speed reaches your setting, the centrifugal time will start counting down. Once the speed has decreased, a beep will sound to indicate the end of the centrifugation.